Hello friends, I am back with a new video. Myself MD Fayoum, Civil Engineer. A warm welcome to all the viewers of JILT Academy. Today I am going to discuss about 2 BHK plan with the dimensions of 25 feet by 38 feet with a plot area of 950 square feet, that is 105 square yards. But before going to discuss in detail about the plan, I request all the viewers of JILT Academy, those who did not subscribe to our channel, kindly subscribe to get the latest notifications. Now let's move in detail to discuss the top view of today's plan. So here you can see this plan is as per the Vastu, and here it is having a 25 feet and it is having here 38. So first of all, this is the entrance of our plan. When we enter, as I have planned here, a sit out. So in the sit out you can view there is the one sofa set with teepie and also a LCD is available. So this is very comfortable for the guest who can arrive to our house, can accommodate and have a discussion or any other plans. So this is a sit out. Then you can view there is a dining hall we have provided here. So this dining hall is attached with the kitchen. You can see the kitchen here, the platform you can view. This is also as per the Vastu. So here we have plotted stove and here we have plotted wash basin and here we have kept a fridge. So this area is also comfortable and it can be used and served. So this kitchen room is attached with the utility with a small area of 3 by 4. Here I kept one washing machine and there is a utility area where you can wash and can be used as a domestic use. Now I am returning back to the kitchen, and you can view that we have provided here Puja Kadhi also. So this is also according to the Vastu I have preferred here. So now see, this is from this Puja Kadhi you can view we can have a dinner. We have plotted 6 chairs of a dining table here. So on the right side of this you can see there is a common toilet available for the people who are available in the houses. This is a common toilet where I have fixed one western along with the wash basin. So now I am coming out and entering to the lobby. You can view there is a master bedroom here we have kept with a lavish arrangement of a bed with bed lamps and a wardrobe, and I have used this area as per the purpose of evening time. We can have a cup of tea and have a pleasant environment. So this bathroom is not having a attached toilet, but it is having a common toilet, can be served by this bathroom. Now I am going to another master bedroom of our plan. Here you can see this is a lavish area available which is attached to a toilet. So here this is also, in this also I have plotted a bed along with the LCD also in this. As I said, it is a master bedroom, it is having a lavish area and it is attached with a toilet. Here also I have inserted western along with wash basin and also bathroom shower. So here this master bedroom is also attached with a lobby for having a couple of time with near and dear one. When you get bored you can have time and can spend here alone. So this is a very comfortable plan for the area of 950 square feet. So friends, if you like the video, I request all the viewers to like and share the video as much as possible. If any suggestions or comments are most welcome. I will catch you with a new video. Thanks for watching.